You can stay at the poshest places in any city or town, at the most beautiful houses, bungalows or flats, at the most affordable tariff when you choose to stay in a serviced apartment. Wait, don't stop. If you are a corporate employee or a traveler or an entrepreneur, you should consider staying in a serviced apartment. Watch this video till the end to know why you should do so. Hi viewers, I am Himanshu Bhattacharjee, one of the founders of Himni Residency Private Limited. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you some of the serviced apartments in Indiranagar, Marathalli and Tubarahalli in Bangalore. In case you have still not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon for receiving amazing updates from time to time. Because we are the only channel who brings to you a lot of information on corporate travel. This property is 35 kilometers from the airport. The distance from the railway station is 12 kilometers. The closest IT hub is Diamond District. The closest hospital is Manipal Hospital. This comes with breakfast, AC rooms, kitchen and kitchenette, water bottle. Nearby restaurants and shopping centers like Oasis Mall, Forum Mall, Smokehouse Delhi. We have 13 such rooms here. The rates when booked through Himni ranges from 2,400 to 4,500. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if yes, please click the like button to motivate us. This property is 39 kilometers from the airport. The railway station is 13 kilometers away. The closest IT hub is Diamond District. Manipal Hospital is very close by. The facilities provided here are really nice, like barbecue court, health club, steam and gymnasium. All the apartments here are air-conditioned apartments. In-house laundry services, kitchens equipped with microwave and refrigerator, airport pickup and drop at additional charges, adequate parking facility, in-house reading room, nearby restaurants and shopping centers. The restaurants like Leela Galleria, iBar. The shopping centers are like Lifestyle, Shoppers Stop, etc. Number of rooms available here are 25 in the form of studio rooms, 1 BHK and 2 BHK. So the rates also vary accordingly. So when you book through Himni, the rates here per day are 3,500 to 5,700 depending on single and double occupancy, and whether it's a studio, 1 BHK or 2 BHK. This property in Marathalli is 47 kilometers from the airport, 19 kilometers from the city railway station. There are a lot of IT companies around this particular property. The closest hospital is Columbia Asia Hospital. The facilities provided here are buffet breakfast, daily housekeeping, free Wi-Fi access, free access to common amenities. The number of rooms available here are 18. There are 1 BHKs, 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs in this property. When you book through Himni, the per day rate ranges from 3,000 rupees to 7,000 rupees. All the rooms are completely air conditioned. This property is 46 kilometers from the airport, 18 kilometers from the railway station. There are a lot of IT companies around this place. The facilities here are buffet breakfast, Wi-Fi access, housekeeping and air-conditioned rooms. Total number of rooms available here are 54. The range is between 2,700 to 3,200. Hope you have liked this video. You may share this video with your friends who are a part of the administrative team or the people who take care of your business trips. Please subscribe if you have not yet done so, and don't forget to hit the bell icon because our next videos are going to cover another 7 to 8 service departments in Bangalore once again. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful time ahead.